Now I will show you how to this filling this pencil. Okay, the first we make this materials get melt, and then heat this mold. I feel this liquid in this mold. Okay, and then we put into this cooling table or this cooling refrigerators. First, it's okay. Now I will show you how to release this mold. Okay, the first step with scrap overfill. Backside also. This is backside is air release. This is tip, you will see. This is tip. You take one piece and put inside. See?
Also, sometimes some customers they want this flat this way, so also you can do this way. This way also is okay.